Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday. Tuesday. Trumpeters Tuesday. I'm a former trumpet player. All right. It's kind of raining out there right now. I know. I give the weather report. But it shouldn't last long. Last night, man, it was easy prep, but there was a lot of prep, a lot of measuring, a lot of, Yesterday, for last night's dinner, I prepared, I'm looking at notes, slow-cooked salmon with butter, garlic, capers, and lemon, with rice pilaf and garlic herb carrots. Great meal. Everything, yeah. One of the things I did not tell you in yesterday's daily message is the salmon actually had a spice rub. Now, it calls out for a particular brand of spice rub. I've never heard of it before. So I did some research and I actually come up with a different rub. I could have made the rub that it called for. I just decided to do something a little different. You know me. Come on. I don't play by the rules. So the rub I did blend yesterday turned out very amazing. It actually had a very unique ingredient. I've heard of this particular spice, but I've never used it, and that is mace. I was able to find it at Bel Air, just a little jar. It was a little pricey, and it was nice. No, I'll try to use it again. Okay, so today I'm taking it a little bit easy. I'm doing pollo fajitas. Oh, to you who don't speak Spanish, food Spanish, that's chicken fajitas. Yes, easy. Let me show you what I got going on here. I'm actually going to do these in the wok. Of course, we've got tortillas. We got some chicken, actually using chicken tenders because they were a little cheaper for a poundish of chicken than breasts. So, yeah. So we've got yellow pepper, red pepper, onion, of course, garlic, and the empty bowl represents the fajita seasoning mix I'm going to be putting together later. And it has in it, there it is, chili powder, salt, ground paprika, some sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cumin, and Mexican oregano, and a little bit of cayenne. So I get to play mixologist again today. Yeah, fun, love it. So, at the time of this recording, Facebook is down. Trust me, I've tried everything. And actually finally I just did a quick search. Yes, thousands of us are experiencing an outage on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. So all of Meta, at least this portion of Meta, is down. So I'll get this up as soon as Facebook allows me to. I will post the recipes from last night, including the spice rub I did for the fish, for the salmon. So on this Tuesday, Trumpeters Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.